Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so today I'm doing a dewy Korean style makeup celebrating all things pink. This look is soft, romantic, and perfect for a night in or night out. So let's get started. First, I'm moisturizing and priming my face before buffing on foundation. I'm then using concealer to define my high points and also cover any blemishes. Korean makeup is lighter, so I'm just lightly filling in my brows before applying brow gel. For eyes, I'm applying a pink cream as my base and blending it along my eyelids. I'm then applying a hot pink to the outer corners of my eyes and gently blending it out like a cat eye. I'm using an angled brush to define the edges. Next, I'm patting on a pink champagne color starting from the inner corners of my eyes and working it outwards to meet the hot pink. I'm then blending in a pink violet color before highlighting my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes with a pink white eyeshadow. With a neutral beige, I'm shadowing my crease as well as my under eyes. This is called Eyeshadow, which is a must for Korean makeup as it creates a young, cutesy look. To make my eyes look wide and innocent, I'm using a brown liner and angled brush to extend my upper lash line. I'm then drawing a line just past my bottom lash line to connect the two lines. I'm then filling in the negative space between the two lines with a white eyeliner. Next, I'm stamping out the Eyeshadow with the warm brown color and flat brush, and then highlighting the area with the gold eyeshadow stick. I'm then applying a brown mascara for a softer look. For blush, I'm applying the pink cream from earlier high on my cheekbones and blending it out with my fingers. I'm contouring my nose with the neutral beige before contouring the rest of my face with the warm brown from earlier. I'm then using the pink white eyeshadow to highlight my forehead, nose, cupid's bow, and cheekbones. For lips, I'm starting with the nude lipstick before feathering on the pink cream. Finally, I'm adding a hot pink just to the center of my lips, blending it out before topping it off with a pink pearlescent gloss. And that's it! If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Also leave any thoughts or suggestions for more makeup looks in the comments down below. See you soon!